Hey YouTube and everybody at home, hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be sharing something with you that's really exciting. It's one of my favourite effects when I first got into magic. You can have a friend, wife or child stand outside the room or be doing something in another room. Call them in and they'll know what card a spectator has already chosen. For this you're going to need 8 cards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we just put them like this. Oh, too many cards, 9 cards. Okay. Move it down to me so you can see. Okay, so a spectator is going to choose any one of these cards and they're just going to point to it, and then when the child or whoever comes back in the room, you're going to point to them all, and then your friend, child or wife is going to say what card it is. Hard to believe that it works every time, and here's the secret. If you look at a number 8 card, it has 3 pips going down this side, 1, 2, 3. They represent these 3 cards, so 1, 2, 3 cards. The 2 middle cards is represented by this first pip and the second pip, and then these 3 cards represented by these 3 pips, 1, 2, 3, and that's the same on every 8. So when your hidden secret stooge has come through, you're going to point at every card, but then when you get to the number 8, you're going to point on the specific location of it. So if they chose the 7 of spades, you're going to point to this. If they chose the 10 of diamonds, you're going to point to this one. If they chose the Queen of clubs, you'll point to this. King of hearts, this one. 8 of spades, that one. 9 of clubs, that one. Or 2 of clubs, that one. Or if it's this actual card, and then this one, because of the location. So say for example, you have a spectator, I just want you to point at any card. This is going to be amazing, it's going to blow your mind. Point at any card, and then you're going to choose the King of Hearts, and then I'm going to call in my stooge, and then I'm going to say, okay, watch. And then your stooge is going to be like, make up a bit of nonsense, and then be like King of Hearts. And they will promise that it's some kind of, you looked at them, or tapped the floor, or you put more pressure on the card, or something like that. No one's mind comprehends it. It could be one of these pips. I've done this thousands of times, and no one's ever caught the secret or found out the secret. I think that's it. It's really simple. So I like to start with the any kind of 8 within the top 8 cards. If you want to do a little bit of a setup, so just pull them out, count down 8 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're turning them over, just make sure that the 8 is in the correct position. So see, I placed it there, I'm just going to move it to there. So you could have it here in the middle or down there in the middle. Doesn't really matter. Or another 8's turned up. So the spectator will choose, say, the King of Hearts again, for example, make it easier. And then your stooge will come in and you'll just be like, look, I'm not even going to look at him. And then be like, no, sorry, let me start again. King of Hearts is there. And then be like King of Hearts over again. So we're going to point to this pit to represent this card. And this is truly a piece of magic. I think it'll be fun for Christmas Day to annoy some of your relatives. Don't give away the secret too fast or easily. annoy your family for a little while. It'll be fun. Alright, that's it for today. Please tune in tomorrow. Please hit the notification button. Please like, subscribe and share for more content. And I'll be doing a giveaway soon. So just keep notified and then that will come. Okay my friends, until the next episode, I shall see you later. Peace out.